Hello, everybody. In case you see my post, almost last week I got the new All Engines Go Motorized Talking Gordon. But now I got two more newbies to add, being James and Percy. In case you haven't seen my post, go check it out. And be sure to tell me what you think. But yeah, I'm going to be unboxing Gordon, James, and Percy. I figure I'm going to be unboxing them all in one video because I couldn't be even bothered splitting them up into three. So, I mean, this is my channel, so it's pretty much my choice. But anyways, I'm going to start unboxing Gordon. Oh, and I'm going to be doing this in order. Gordon's number 4, so I'll start with him. Sorry about that. Anyways, I got Gordon. Now I just need to get... Go free from his plastic prison. Ooh. Now this coupling style is unique. Ooh. Oh. I'll get to that later. But hey, Gordon's free.
This delivery needs to be on time.
And he talks.
Greetings, friends.
But yeah, here's Gordon. Looking to the left. Here's his sides, the top, and the bottom. And is it just me, or does these look a bit like Edward? I mean they do, but I don't know. But anyways, here's a speaker in the back. And as for the coupling, this one's very unique. This one has a larger hole for this. Very unique indeed. Here's Gordon's tender. Nothing too special about it. Just an ordinary tender. Here's his co-load underneath. And here's a flatbed with crates. Yes, it is removable.
You can count on me. That's the spirit. How do you do, Thomas?
Yep. The person who is voicing Gordon in the reboot is none other than Neil Crone, the voice actor who originally voiced Gordon and Thomas and the Magic Railroad, but he reprised his role in a reboot. I guess that's one of the highlights. But yeah, that's it on Gordon. Loving the new look. This part's a bit weird though. But either way, I'm very happy to have him. Next up, James. Oh.
Hi, friends.
There's the box, and out goes the box. Get James free from his plastic prison. There we go. Pull that aside. And here's James.
I have a special job to do. Number 5, red engine. Hello, Gordon. How do you do, James?
Yep, James talks. And like Gordon, he has this very unique coupling with that larger hole. But here's James. Looking to the left like Gordon. Doesn't look too bad. Not too bad at all. That's James. Here's his tender. Nothing too ordinary. It's nothing too special. It's just a normal tender. But hey, I'm not complaining. Here's his coal load and underneath, or undercarriage. And lastly, a flatbed with hay. This pack was actually based on an episode, but I haven't seen it nor can't remember the name of it. But if you guys know, tell me in the comments. Hay cargo, also removable. That's a very stiff plastic.
Make way! I have to make my delivery. We should get going.
Yep. James can talk with all of his friends.
Hey, watch out!
Hiya, James.
Hello, friend. What are you doing?
I'm converting garbage into fuel. That's me. Smelling like garbage and invention.
Yep. Even Whiff can talk to James. Yeah, that's it on James. And last, but certainly not least, the number 6 engine himself, Percy. Yep, this is actually the second version of Percy. I already own the Percy that came with Harold. In case you haven't seen my mega unboxing video that I split into 3 parts, you probably miss out. Oh.
Hi, friend!
Oh. Whew. There goes the box. And Percy is also free.
Time to ring my lucky bell! Mail delivery! I'm ready to get this dated jacket! Hi, friend!
Oh, I do have, in fact, the Percy I got before.
I love delivering the mail. On my way. Bye. Percy perfect.
To be honest, I actually like this Percy more than this Percy. Not only because it's a normal version of Percy, but his voice. This is what this Percy sounds like.
It'll be awesome. Hello, Percy. Mail to deliver. It'll be awesome.
I don't think Percy was meant to sound like that. This Percy, on the other hand,
It's so much fun. On my way. Whoa! Hello, Gordon.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Picking up the passengers. On board.
now this is the Percy voice right there. I actually like it. Just a normal standard long coupling. Nothing special. Here's the top. Yeah, undercarriage. There goes Percy. Here's his flatbed with tarp. Now this is the third time Mattel actually included a flatbed with a piece of tarp. The first two times was in Secret Agent Thomas and the second Talking Thomas. This is the third. And the as much as I like rolling stock, this is starting to get overused. I mean, it could have come with something better. But you know what? I'm just gonna let it slide because it's just a piece of rolling stock with some cargo. It's not that much of a deal. And then, oh, yep, nothing special apart from the gray wheels. I mean green wheels. Then here's a flatbed with pretty much the bluish crate cargo. This is also removable. And what I forgot to mention, that the tarp here is also removable. sides, the top and the bottom.
On my way! Delivering the mail is so much fun. Hello, friends. Hey, Percy. What are you doing? Special delivery. That is so exciting.
And what kind of mail are you delivering, Percy? You're delivering a flatbed with tarp and a flatbed full of crates. Does this look like a mail delivery to you? Yeah, I think that's the main downside. This is pretty much this part here is pretty much a rehash. I would have included like a mail van or a mail truck, but it's, you know, I can't argue that much. I can't always get what I want, but I'm happy with this package the way it is. And so we've come to the end. What are your thoughts on those three? And which ones do you like the best? And be sure to answer that. Be sure to answer in the comment section below. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see what 2024 has in store for us. As always, thank you very much. And see y'all in 2024.